Hello viewers. In this topic we are going to the cartooning an image using OpenCV with Python. So our task is here. So convert into the original image cartooned version using Python. So let's see. Here is our original image. You can see it by research. Here is our original image. We are converted into the cartooning image. So let's start. We are going to the algorithm. Here two libraries, read image edges. You can see the edges of the grayscale, and here our coordinates of the cartoonization. So color, and we mention the name of the cartoon. So here our right the show the image. So here is our close window. You can see it. So first of all we are going to the document YouTube. So we are putting this algorithm testing, and here our image. You can see it. Here is our original image. I'm open my terminal, cd document, cd YouTube folder. Okay, so Python testing.py. Here our image cartoon. So here our edges. You can see it, and here is our original image. It's too much difference between this image and this image. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates.